As soon as a child is born, there is a single thought in every parent's mind: the protection of the young. Children learn to make good decisions by making decisions, not by following direction. Relating to this, I have a story to share about my friend Ria, who was passionate about visual arts, but her parents had different aspirations for her career. They wanted her to become a doctor, like many others. I vividly recall the day she told me about her parents' expectations and her own dreams. I could truly tell that she felt discouraged and did not truly desire to pursue a medical career. Yet, she made the decision to follow the path her parents chose for her. As we talked, I asked Ria a question. Even if she becomes a doctor as her parents wanted, could she truly be happy? Could she find daily fulfillment in medical while a part of her desire to explore the lively world of visual arts? To everyone, hear your child's dream, guide them with love, and let them paint their own unique path to happiness. Namaste, I am Varsha Singh, and today we'll explore the concept of helicopter parenting, where keeping an eye on you turns into keeping an entire flock of eyes on you, all in the name of love and maybe a touch of overprotectiveness. But this can have damaging effect on child's growth, such as reduced independence, means kids miss out on developing essential life skills needed to make their own choices. Overprotectiveness can hinder a child's ability to navigate the world, making it challenging for them to live independently. Constant inquiry can make children feel like they can never do anything right, leading to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Parents expecting perfection turns into professional entertainers, balancing between, can I really do this? But what about my dreams? Many end up following their parents' script, only to realize life is more of a wild roller coaster than the carefully mapped out journey their parents had pictured. Turning kids into constant problem solvers, that's like skipping the learn to ride a bike phase and expecting them to win a unicycle marathon later on. Well, ever had your phone take away? It's like my social life is in a strict parent protection program. Parents turn into spies, reading through diaries, snooping on messages, snipping through photos. They even get in teachers, hitting them with questions like, where's my kid right now? Did she eat? It's like we are living in a puppet show 24/7. But they do it out of love and care. But still, why invade our privacy? Simple solution: talk, trust, and give us some breathing space. Invading privacy, that's like putting a quiet please sign on our story sharing. See, I know parents want to know what's happening in their child's life, but I hate it when they start giving a lecture. This happens with me all the time. It's like I try to tell my mom a life joke and she turns it into a life lecture. Me slamming the door shut and walking away. But end of the day, she is my problem solver. Now let me tell you about this boy Ayan. Ayan is a boy who does well in class. He's academically driven, he's great at studies and everything. But for his parents, it was not enough. They somehow felt like they must guide him towards the right path. Intelligence must be used properly, and expectations kept getting placed on his shoulders. Ayan kind of caves into the pressure led by his parents because he started feeling like there's something to achieve and there's always somebody to satisfy. He didn't know how to handle his emotions. After his education, he was hired by a company where he couldn't function. His confidence went down. He didn't know because his whole potential was wasted by the unnecessary pressure, which could have been avoided, right? Ayan is not alone. There are several cases in which children go through this. I guess here everyone must know who Priyanka Chopra is. For those who don't, she's a Bollywood actress. Did you know Priyanka Chopra's parents, Madhu Chopra and Ashok Chopra, were doctors in the military? Now you all might be thinking, why am I talking about Priyanka Chopra's parents all of a sudden? It's because no matter what your parents' profession are, you don't have to do the same thing. You don't have to take anyone else's path. You just have to listen to your heart and follow your own dreams. Like Priyanka Chopra did. Even though her parents were doctors, she did not wish to pursue a career as a doctor. She wanted to become an actress. Her dad supported her, whereas her mother thought investing in becoming an actress was a waste of time. But as time passed, her parents decided to give her a chance. She is now an Indian actress, producer, and the founder of Anomaly Hair Care brand. In an interview, her parents said if they were in their 40s and they were asked to move countries, they would do it without question for their daughter. She also shared how she gave Priyanka a hard time choosing her career and making her go through that phase. But at the end, they can proudly say yes, Priyanka Chopra, the Indian actress, producer, and the Miss World pageant winner, is our daughter, Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra has always been candid about her admiration towards her parents and their sacrifices for her. So you see, at the end, I just want to say that if a person does any work with full dedication, they definitely win success in it. They just need some support, love, and care to boost them. Thank you.